Hey guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a 2019 Volvo XC60 T6 R Design. This is in crystal white metallic with a charcoal nubuck and leather interior. This has lived its former life as a Volvo executive demo car, and it has just under 18,000 miles on it. This one has the advanced package, so you get the 360-degree camera, great for parking, the adaptive cruise control with pilot assist, the sort of semi-autonomous drive mode allowing you to take your hands off the wheel while you're driving and rest assured that the car will stay in between the lines on the road and at a safe distance from the car in front of you. And they say it doesn't work in the rain or snow if the car cannot read the lines on the road, but I was driving in the driving rain the other day and it worked just fine. So I guess you just have to try and see what works for you. Those 21-inch wheels are nice. This one has the tow hitch all set up. You can tow a small boat, put a bike rack on there, it's all ready to go. And these also have the integrated roof rails up top. So if you'd like to accessorize your Volvo, we would be happy to help you out with that. Our parts department is well stocked. Keyless entry, hands-free power liftgate. This has the giant panoramic sunroof, the power sunshade, that black headliner looks super cool. This has the climate package, so you and your passengers will all have heated seats. You'll have a heated steering wheel and heated windshield wiper blades. Check out these seats. Even the back seats are just super cool. So in the center is that nubuck, and on the sides you get that perforated Napa leather. It's super sporty. Your heated seat controls are there, and there's power there for you too. Not only is this super cool because it's an R design, but it has the Bowers & Wilkins sound system, which is amazing. Such quality sound from this system. These sport seats are cool. These have the leg extension, so I have the passenger side pulled out fully and then this one tucked away. You can see the difference there. Your mesh inlays, Bowers & Wilkins sound system. Those are your safety features listed upon every startup. This has Volvo voice control, frameless auto dimming mirror. You can see you can connect to your garage door. Not sure if you can see that through here, through HomeLink. Open up that giant sunroof, let some air in. This has navigation, such a clear, bright screen, easy to use. Set your destination here. This button is how you go back to your home screen. If you slide, so this is your home screen. If you slide all the way to the left, you'll find your safety features. Like this is the 360-degree camera system. Choose which view you would like. Good for parking so you don't curb your wheels, I mean. the graphic heads-up display. You'll be able to adjust. This is the adjustment here. You can adjust right on your steering wheel to make it a little more bright or a little less bright, or raise or lower it. And you can also set it up where you have the turn-by-turn directions projected on that screen for your navigation. Bowers & Wilkins sound system. You can choose your options: studio, individual stage, or concert hall, and it is just outstanding. I can't say enough about this stereo system. It's great. Change your drive mode here. Cup holders, plug in for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto there on the right. This car is beautiful. If you're looking for an XC60, we've got it right here. This is stock number 6038A. PortlandVolvo.com has all the information you need, and it's a beautiful day to buy a car. So come and see us on 9 US Route 1 in Scarborough, Maine. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you soon.